All clear.
Can't wait to see you!
Hi Penny, it's Corey. I have a 1 o'clock with Dr. Scheiner. I'm so happy to be here.
Oh, hi, Corey. Yes, great. Thank you for arriving on time. We appreciate that. All right, what's going to happen is you'll remain in your car. A tech will call you when they're ready for you, and then they will have you come to the table out front. They'll take your temperature and ask you a few COVID questions, and then the tech will be at the door to greet you. Okay, we're not having anybody in the waiting room right now. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, great.
Hey Corey, great seeing you. Welcome back.
Thanks, Stephanie. I've missed you guys.
Missed you more. Okay, I just have a few questions for you before you get the chance to see the doc, all right?
Sure.
Have you been in contact with anybody that's been infected with COVID-19?
No.
Within the past 48 hours, have you experienced a new cough, trouble breathing, shortness of breath, or wheezing?
No.
Any new chills?
No.
Muscle aches?
No.
Sore throat?
No.
Diarrhea?
No.
New loss of taste or smell?
No.
None of the above.
None of the above.
Okay, awesome. And even though you're real hot, we still have to check your temperature.
Love you, baby.
Hey Sal, we have a patient coming in.
Great, let me make sure it's extra clean.
Extra clean? You got it.
Wow. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hi, Corey.
Hi,
Come this
Sarah.
way. Welcome back.
Thanks. I'm so glad to see you all.
We're so happy to have you back.
I'm so glad you're open. I need you badly.
We are open with the strictest of the CDC guidelines for your safety and ours. Have a seat in the chair. Try not to touch anything unnecessarily. And Dr. Scheiner will be with you shortly.
Thanks, Corey, for coming in and for being so patient with us during these unprecedented times. We just want to keep everyone safe, and we're so excited to help you.
And I will take care of your appointment right here in the room, so you'll be able to exit without any stopping. Is the waiting room all clear?
All clear.
Thank you. Come this way, Miss Corey.
Yes and no.
It was a pleasure seeing you today.
So
I work on it
at 9:30.
Great, we got that appointment all set for you.
If the morning is my first available,
Bye,
I
Corey.
also have a
All clear.
Can't wait to see